What the week?
Oh. Can't keep a straight face.
I could wash your car for you, but I'd have to keep it for a few months.
Speaker status.
I don't look like a baller again. I mean, shit, if I can't be baller money-wise, I might as well be baller basketball-wise.
Be baller.
I just do what I do. I just pretend I know how to play.
Hey Ernie, what are we working on today?
Oh, we're doing brake upgrade for Cyrus. You know, this beast of a car. It is a E85 running almost 400 horses to the wheels. We're doing, what are we doing right here? Steel braided lines and cross-drilled rotors. They're right here. Take a look. What the? This ain't cross-drilled slotted rotors? What? What are these?
What are those?
What are those?
So basically, you told me not to. You told me I can't warm up my car. He goes, "Oh no, I'm telling you, you can't warm up your car. You can warm it up." Like, but it just can't take that long. I'm like, all right. He goes, "Yeah, you know, when you warm up your motorcycle, it echoes." I'm like,
Oh, you know what just hit me? This is what you tell him. He's probably gonna see this on YouTube, but hey, check this out. You know what? That means you're not really asleep if you hear my bike. Because my neighbor never hears my bike.
or my car.
Yeah, me, I never hear it. The only time I hear your bike is if I'm awake.
Nope.
So you ain't really asleep. Go back to sleep, motherfucker. Because it has two bleeders, so we have to bleed both. Because I gotta take this caliper off completely, so I might as well take it off all the way.
Take it off.
Take it off. There's only two clips holding it, it's just dangling. You might as well just take it off. Power to weight ratio. It's gonna be even faster now. If there was a leak, so this, when it dries up, it's gonna be white, right?
Yeah.
Like spray painted it. So like if that white disappears, that means there's a leak. Oh shit. Realized that myself.
Where are those pins you're popping out?
It holds the retainer, and that's what holds the brake pads in place. Pretty nifty. On the Honda, we'd be done already, but this is it's pretty cool. Brembos. But yeah, that's how it holds the pad in place. On the Honda, you have the caliper that sits on the hub, and then that's how it gets held by the caliper. Here, it just sits on the caliper and it's secured by the...
Unless you had a Honda with Brembos.
That's a Honda with Brembo, yeah. Then it'll be just like this. So now we gotta compress the piston back in.
Now if it was a Honda, we just use a C-clamp.
Yeah, if it was a Honda, we could pry, you know, pry the pad into the piston.
Yeah, people are watching like, you don't use a flathead for that.
No, what are you doing? That's not, a screwdriver is not a pry bar.
You're gonna damage it.
There's always gonna be that internet know-it-all.
So what size is that?
This one's a 17.
Oh, that was easy.
Whoa.
So 17 for the rear and 19 for the front.
Yeah, we know. Knowing half the battle.
Yep.
G.I. Joe.
There we go.
Been playing some basketball, that's why. I'm in shape. I was practicing. That's what I was told anyway. Did you practice? You've been practicing, huh?
Yeah, last time I practiced.
Yeah, last time when I played with you guys. Alright, let me break this long.
Yeah, lucky owner's not here. We can break shit.
You can go to town like that and break a knuckle.
Go to beast mode.
You hear that? It's not. It's like sand in there.
Yep. He's grinding. He's been rallying this thing.
Yep. See how the line's not right in the middle? You want it kind of more centered. See what I'm saying? I'll fix that later. Just your standard bolts that you could get at a hardware store.
Home Depot?
Yeah, Home Depot. That lip.
You know what else has thick lips, right? Snap-on flathead pry tool. Are you guys done yet? No, we just started.
Oh, I was gonna do this tomorrow. No.
Something came up. Old people smell like Tiger Balm and Lumpus.
Yep.
I see you working on this. Oh, Ernie, you got your Evo back?
I know.
We're just gonna grab this and throw it in the Integra.
Rear diff.
Yep. Don't worry about that sound. We're just breaking shit. Don't worry about it. Oh,
Is it?
braided line. It is now 8 hours later.
8 hours later. I don't know what the fuck took so long. Well, I had to stop for an hour, and I don't know where the time went after that.
In the description, not a how-to video.
Not a how-to video. Yeah, next time we'll do a better how-to, you know?